Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and guess what? Today, we are going to be texturizing my son's hair. Now guys, this is a regular texturizer, regular strength, and we're just trying to relax his waves so it won't be so laboring to lay his waves down. Now you see how his waves are? Let me see if I can get you closer. See how his hair is growing, his waves lift up. So what we're going to do, is just relax him so when he put on his wave cap and everything, there'll be butter. So if you want to see how this is going to turn out, then just stay tuned and don't forget to what?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And share.
Yeah.
Let's get to it. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to make sure that I protect his hairline. Like I was telling you guys before, we're just going to relax his curl, okay? We're not trying to straighten his hair. We're going to relax his curl. And this is going to be like the first stage of how he wants his hair to like grow out and be. So he'll have the best of both worlds. Whether he want to wear waves or whether he want to have a nice curly look in his head. So we have his hairline protected. So now we're going to put on some gloves. Now this is not going to take long at all, guys, because he has short hair. He has short hair and your heat is closer to your head. So that's going to help this regular strength texturizer take faster, okay? Okay, that is what it is. So I'm just going to take some out. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The time is 7:20. Time is 7:20 and we're just going to put it on everything.
It's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah, the cream is cold.
Just apply it everywhere, guys. You just want to get it all over. And even though he got short hair, I am still going to use a large tooth comb. So if you've been paying attention to my videos and about texturizers, you know that large tooth comb is going to make that wave pattern come in better. You don't want to flatten nothing out. You want nothing flatted out. Okay, so that took us all of a minute to apply. And like always, we're not going to leave this on no more than maybe 7 to 10 minutes. No more than that. So, we have it on. Put your head down, sweetie. Okay. Make sure we got it on everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to comb it through. This is ideal, guys. I'm going to have him to show you his head after I comb it through, because this is going to allow it to wave up. And you know what? The thing about this, B-Man, is that no matter what you decide to do with your hair, you got more than one option. Like I was saying before, you can wear your hair curly, you can wear it in waves. If you want to grow your hair out, it's going to take really good to the moisturizers that you put on your hair, and you can continue to grow your hair out. The last time when I texturized my hair, I went 7 months. I went 7 months without having to texturize my hair. But guys, you all know that the products that I used took to my natural hair and made it so pretty, so curly on its own without having to texturize my hair anymore. So that's one thing that I'm gonna love for my son, is because he's gonna have options. As long as he continue to moisturize his hair and everything, it's gonna be beautiful. I already know. So bend forward and let the people see how that comb put the wave pattern in. Okay, you guys see that?
Wave check.
So it took us no more than a minute to apply it. So as you guys know, because his hair is not coarse, that's why I say it's only going to be in here maybe 7 to 10 minutes. And we're just going to check it periodically where it is. But right now, we're just going to let it sit and let it do what it's going to do. So I am going to clean him up real quick. How you feeling?
It's burning a little bit.
Did you brush your hair any today?
No. No, I'm serious.
I don't believe it. Clean you up just a little bit. Now guys, what I am gonna do, it all depends if this is what he wants. I may make him a little set of what I use on my hair, or he could continue to use what he wants to use on his hair. But how you planning on wearing your hair? Wave, curly? How you planning on wearing it?
Well, right now I got waves. So,
You want to wear waves?
No, I really want to grow my hair out.
Well, that's gonna grow, but until you grow it out, how you gonna wear it?
Yeah, I'm gonna just rock out with the waves.
Waves?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because as time go on, because it ain't gonna take no time for your hair to grow with this.
Mm-hmm.
So as time go on, you're gonna have to transition to. No, you're gonna moisturize, but it's gonna grow fast. At least that's what happens with my hair. My hair grows fast with this. Okay. So for all you people who don't know, I am no longer a product junkie. I am about to show you the products that I use. All right, guys, these are the products that I use. This and this. Okay. This is the Wave Whip by Cantu. Love that product. This is a leave-in conditioner, coconut milk by Cream of Nature. Love that product. And this is a Carefree Curl Snapback. In love with that product. And to set my curls, I use Echo Styling Gel with coconut oil in it, okay? That's all I have. I am no longer a product junkie, and these are the products that transform my hair to a softer curl, even in its natural state. But because he wants to wear his hair like in waves, the stuff, what do you use on your hair?
Coconut oil, Cantu.
Do you use the other stuff that I gave you? The
Actually,
Hindu?
Hindu, yeah, I use that too.
Oh, that's gonna be perfect.
I use.
Yeah.
I also be using rosemary oil.
On your hair?
Yeah, because that makes that makes your hair grow fast.
So what are you putting on there to make your waves come in?
Oh, that's just natural.
Ah!
I'm not.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. Now you know what? This actually took quite fast.
Mm-hmm.
So to tell you the truth, oh, it's time to wash it out. Guys, it is time to wash this out. I'm trying to see what time it is. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's 7:28. So it's been on there for like 8 minutes. 7, if it just turned to 28, it's been on there like 7 to 8 minutes. Let's go wash this out. That's all you needed. I knew it was gonna change fast. Let's go.
When you need my
All right, guys, see how much taller my son is? So now we're gonna stop the process and we rinse out his hair completely. Here you go, babe. This is neutralizing shampoo, and we're gonna wash his hair twice. Oh, no. His hair is washed twice. So now we're just gonna go put on some moisturizers and stuff for his hair, okay? Let's go and put some moisturizer on. Bend down so the people can see the top of your head. Look at how his waves are laying down. There you go. All right, guys, I am about to condition his hair. All right, guys, so we added the conditioner. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit coconut oil on his hair. Just a little bit. So guys, I hope you have subscribed. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, check out these waves. Look at them. They laid straight down. See that? Oh my goodness. Hold up some so they can see. Look at that. They laid straight down. So how you like it?
I love it. I love
Wing,
it.
wing, wing, wing,
Yeah,
wing, wing, wing.
yeah.
This is another banger. And I will talk to you later, guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And share.
Yeah.